Hi my health enthusiasts. Today's video is on monomeals and what is a monomeal? Do I eat monomeals? And what's my favorite? What's my favorite monomeal? I get this question a lot about like what I eat and when, and I do eat monomeals. They're easy for me. I love them. I've been doing it for a long time. I guess I didn't really know there was a term for it, such as monomeal. I live by simplicity. You know, my life is busy and food shouldn't be complicated, and our meals and staying healthy isn't complicated. And unfortunately, as a society, we've grown to accept variety, and we've grown to think that we need variety, and we need a side, and we need a sauce, and we need condiments, and we need, you know, all these things, when in reality, if you were in nature and let's say the mango tree was ripe, that's what you'd be eating, was mangoes. And so it's easier on digestion, you feel better. Yeah, so a point I want to make too about a monomeal, you know, people are like, well, you just ate 7 bananas for breakfast, that's so weird. Well, that's anywhere from, depending on the size of the banana, you know, 700 calories to probably 1,200 calories depending. But, you know, people will eat an Egg McMuffin and 4 hash browns and similar calorie equivalent, but no one would blink. So just kind of keep that in mind. Or people, you know, will eat 3 eggs and toast and cheese and all these complicated things for the same amount of calories, but no one really questions it. So eating monomeals it's so good for your body. It's so easy for your body to digest. It's easy to sustain. I mean, I take them in the car with me. I literally take dates. I'll take a pound of dates and I will eat them all the way to LA when I'm stuck in traffic, and that's my breakfast sometimes, or sometimes it's my lunch. So I definitely encourage you guys to make sure that you're food combining well. I did do a blog on food combining, so you know, eating, let's say, a baked sweet potato, maybe with rice and a salad, is great, but then following that up with, say, 5 bananas isn't necessarily good for digestion. So not gonna hurt you, it's just not as easy on your body as the other way around. So I will link that blog down below in the description, and feel free to ask me any other questions, you guys. I love when you guys ask me questions, and I'm happy. I'm here for you. You know, I was searching for answers a long time ago, and I would find people that I could, you know, ask questions to as well. So please feel free. If there's anything I can answer for you, I'm so happy to do so. So have a great day, guys. Try a monomeal. Try mangoes. Try bananas. Try apples. Try whatever you have. Whatever is, you know, ripe for you, or maybe what you even have at home. This morning I had 7 pears and it was so good, and they were so ripe. Anyways, please subscribe. Yeah, have a great day, guys.